Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's revise what we have taken till now. We take something called what? Constant and variable, right? Let's see here. I want you to tell me the difference between this one and this one. I have here what? X plus 3 and I have what? X plus 3 equal 7. So what's the difference between the both of them? The first one, I have what? Just one side, right? X plus 3, just one side. I got X number of rocks, okay, and I bought 3 of it. But here I have what in the other one? X plus 3 equal 7. I have equal sign. So this side, X plus 3 equal to this side, which equal 7, like a balance, okay? So this one called what? Variable expression, because I have variable, operation, and number. And here called what? Called a new name called equation. Called what? Equation. What is the meaning of equation? When I have both sides or two sides and I have equal sign between them. It means what here? It means like a balance. I have right side and left side. And what I have in the right side has to be equal to the left side, okay? I want you to tell me now if it was equation or not. X plus 4 equal 2. I have two sides? Yes, I have equal between them? Yes, so it's what? It's an equation. What about this one? X plus 7, it's an equation? No, why? Because I don't have any equal side. Here, 3 minus y equal 2. Equation or not? Yes, it's an equation. Why? Because I have two sides between them equal. Here, 2 plus L smaller than 5. I have equal sign? No, so it's not equation. I have here this balance. I have x and I bought 3. Beside this x equal 7. If I want you to give me the value of x, you tell me what here? How? If I remove x, I bought what instead of it? Yes, I know all of you will tell me what? 4. 4 plus 3 equal what? Equal 7. But how can you prove this? Or how can you convince me that x equal 4? I want to put the x by itself in one side. Let's see here. If I remove this 7 and I put instead of it, I put what? 4 and 3. We both know that 7 equal what? 4 plus 3. I didn't change anything and the balance will stay equal like this, okay? If I want to get the x by itself in just one side, what shall I do here? Okay, I will remove this 3 and I will remove the other 3. Why? Because I want them to be what? To be equal. So x here equal what? Equal 4. When he told me solve the equation means what? Find the value of x or put the x by itself in just one term. How can we do this in math? Let's see here. The equation was what? X plus 3 equals 7, right? I want to get the x by itself in just one term. Okay, what is that? The term or the side which has x? X plus 3. So what I have besides x? I have plus 3. Okay, I want to remove it. How can I remove it? By canceling it by the opposite sign or the opposite operation. What is the opposite of operation of plus? It's minus. Okay, I add 3 to this x. I want to remove this 3 to get the x by itself in one term. Okay, so how can I solve in steps? Okay, we want the x to be alone in one side and the number in the other side. How can we do this? Equation like a balance with two sides. So I have to put what? The opposite operation beside x. Okay, so I want to remove this x by what? Opposite operation of plus 3, it will be what? Minus 3. But whatever I do to one side, I have to do the same to the other side to keep the balance as it is. Okay, if I take away the 3 from x, from the side which has x, I have to get rid of this 3 on the other side. Now, what's remaining now from this side? X equal what now? Equal 4. And something called solution set. SS means what? Solution set. What is the meaning of solution set? When I put the value of x between braces, okay? After you finish solving the equation, what shall we put? We put the answer between braces. This is called what? Solution set, okay? Okay, let's see here. The classwork of today, inshallah, going to be booklet, page 53 and 54 and 55, and the rest of 53 and 54 will be your homework. Okay, let's see here from page 53. We are going to solve the rest of this page in your copybook. Okay, let's see here. This is a balance. I have in this side 5 and x, and the other side I have what? 13. If I want to put it as an equation, how can I put it? 5 plus x, or x plus 5 equal what? Equal 13. Okay, I want to get the x by itself in one term. Okay, imagine with me, if I take away this 5, the balance will stay as it is? No, it will not be equal. So I have to remove another 5 from the other part. So I have here 5 plus x. I want to remove this 5. I have to remove the 5 from the other side. So what shall we do here? I will remove the 5 from this x by the opposite operation. X plus 5, the opposite operation is what? Is minus 5. Whatever I do to this side, I have to do the same to the other side. So the other side will be what? 13 minus 5. Okay, what's remaining now from the side which has x? I have x now, and I know 13 minus 5 equal 8. So x equal what? 8. Don't forget to put your solution set. Solution set equal what? Equal 8 between braces. Okay, now what about the other side here? The other problem, y and 1 equal what? Equal 15. If I want to put it as an equation, y plus 1 equal 15. Remove 1 from this side and remove 1 from this side by the opposite operation, right? The opposite of plus, it will be what? Minus. So y plus 1 minus 1, because I want to cancel them, equal what? 15 minus 1. Okay, what I have here in this side, y equal what? Equal 14. And don't forget to put the answer between braces. It will be what? Our solution set equal 14. Okay, in your copybook we are going to begin, and please solve in these steps, and each step has to be an individual line, but each step in what? In a new line. Okay, like I will do now. Okay, the first problem, x equal what? X plus 3 equal 12. What is the opposite side? What is the opposite operation which I have here? I have the operation here, it's plus 3. What is the opposite of plus 3? Minus 3. Whatever I do to one term, I have to do the same to the other term. X plus 3 minus 3 equal 12 minus 3. Okay? So what I have now, I have x by itself in one term, yes, equal what? Equal 9. Don't forget to put your solution set. As you see here, I solve each one in one line by itself, okay, like this. Okay, take a line in your copybook, then let's solve number B. Number B is what? X minus 2 equal 5. Okay, what is the operation here? Minus 2. Okay, what is the opposite of minus 2? Plus 2. What shall we do, miss? We will do what? We will add 2 in this side and we will add 2 in this side. Okay, let's see. X minus 2 plus 2 equal 5 plus 2. Why you do plus 2 here in both sides, miss? Because I want to keep the balance as it is. Okay, so what's remaining now? I have from this side, I have x equal what? Equal 7. So the solution set will be what? Solution set equals 7. But how can we check our answer? Remove x and put 7 instead of it. 7 minus 2 equal 5. Yes, I'm right. Okay, number A. If I take away x and I put 9, 9 plus 3 equal 12. Yes, so I will do it right. Okay, we are going to complete our lesson, a new video, inshallah.